Yo, Simeon with Aim High Pressure Wash. Guys, I want to talk to you about a number of subjects that I see come across, conversations about the $99 guy and getting off the truck. And I've been wanting to make this $99 guy video for quite some time because I'll be honest with you guys, I am a $99 guy. I have no problem being a $99 guy. The $99 for me is the worm on the hook. What I mean by the worm on the hook, all it is the bait to catch the big fish. Sometimes you're going to get, the big ones. Sometimes you're going to get a small one. As I'm driving down the road right now, I'll pass a McDonald's, I'll pass a Quick Trip, I'll pass a 7-Eleven, Shell. I'll see coffee for 99 cents. Drive a little bit further, somebody have it for 89 cents. A little bit further, 79 cents. A little bit further, maybe even 49 cents. All they're doing with that cup of coffee is baiting us to come in and buy something inside the store, or maybe even get gas. All right. So if we buy something, so their $99 is our, for example, driveway cleaning. Their $99 coffee is our $99 driveway cleaning. All right. If we buy something in the store, that's equivalent to maybe us cleaning a pool cage, a deck, house wash. If we get gas, that's equivalent to us doing a roof job. Okay? So look at it that way. So don't listen all the time to people down talk the $99 guy. I've been in business for over 20 years. I have no problem to this day, 20 years later, doing a job that's going to pay me $99. If it takes me, it may take me 30 minutes or less. It may take me an hour to do it. All right? Because what that $99 is also doing, it's advertising. Because other people in the neighborhood are going to see me do one job. They may need something. Once the second neighbor comes up to me and books, and I clean their house, now others are starting to talk. Oh, there's a guy up the street. He just did John's house. They just did Mike's house, Susan's house, whatever it is. Oh, we need to get that done. Why don't you go talk to him? That's how, you guys know, that's exactly how it works. So being a $99 guy that's just the worm on the hook or the cup of coffee. Now, all your services, they should not be $99. If they are, and that's good for you, because maybe the job that you either have now or came from was not paying you anywhere close to $100 an hour. All right, but yeah, you don't want to stay there. But you can always have a particular service that is your cup of coffee. That is your worm on the hook. All right? Getting off the truck. Like I said, I've been doing this over 20 years. There was a span of about maybe 3 years that I did not work because my wife was stationed in London. And I was having to, be home, taking care of the kids, and also tending to the business. I had a good buddy of mine who ran it for me, did an excellent job. Allowed me to, about every 4 months, go to London. All right? But when I came back, I love being out there. I love doing what I do. Okay? I love pressure washing. So satisfying. It's peaceful. Okay? You guys know that. So, you have, let's take for example, Michael Jordan, Tom Brady. Both of those guys at some point decided they wanted to retire. All right. And then Tom Brady, he did it, I mean, so fast. It wasn't even, I don't even think it was like 30 or 60 days before he said he wanted to come back. And then Jordan, he did before that, Jordan, he did that. He went away for a span and left and did baseball and all that kind of stuff. And then he came back because they love doing what they do. So do you have to get off the truck? No, if that's not what you want to do. If you're physically able to do what you do and you enjoy it and that feels good to you, and maybe that's your sweet spot, because you know how it is to have workers. I mean, we don't even want to talk about workers, do we? You know, I don't have workers. I have sons. I don't want to have anyone outside of them working for me. So getting off the truck, guys, is not, you know, something that you have to do. They say always work towards getting off the truck and this and that. Just better your business. All right? Make it to where you can go out and make money the fastest, the easiest. But don't always listen to these guys, even especially the older guys that think they just know everything, right? That been in the business 20 years, right? Don't always listen to them, all right? I listen to older people. I listen to the young ones. And then I grab what I know is going to work best for me in my business. But being the $99 guy, don't let your ego get in the way of your success. Create relationships. You never know who that guy that's paying you $99, who he is, who he knows, and what he has access to. That $99 could turn it, and for me, it has turned into so much more. It could be a business relationship. You know, I have customers. You do a job for $99, then they need this, and because the quality of that $99 was so good, now the next service that they need, it's not going to be $99, but what's the reminder that they have is how you treated them, how you made them feel, how you answered your phone, how you responded to the text message, how you said yes ma'am, yes sir to them, how you didn't arrive at their house and you start smoking a cigarette, playing, talking on your phone, how you're a professional. All that stuff, you know, that goes through their mind. So when they see that and you're not like the other guy, you were, like I said, you were professional. So now when it's time for them to get another service, they remember that. So they don't mind paying the extra, because you have left an impression with them. Guys, it's that easy. It really is. There's no secret to this. Treat people right, be honest, do a good job. Say what, do what you're going to do. Or how they put it, do what they say you're going to do. Guys, like I said, it's really not hard. Somebody asked me, Simeon, do you do, you must do all commercial work. No, I'm not above residential cleaning. I'm not above doing a job for $99. I'll do it for $89. I'll do it for $79. When I go to the gas station, I have to pay $150, $175 to put diesel in this truck. Yeah. That $100 is going to get me, halfway there. So, guys, if you are the $99 guy, that's okay. Grow your business. I built my trailer that you guys have seen with, doing jobs at a price I really didn't want to do. Even with this trailer. Do I have to do it? No. But every once in a while, you're going to be glad that you did. Oh, I'm glad I did that job for this, because it turned into something bigger. So anyway, guys, that's it. That's all I got for today. I'm about to go home and get ready for the Super Bowl. Who do you guys have? I'm going to try to get this video out before the Super Bowl. I want to know, who do y'all have? I'm going for the Eagles this time. I love Patrick Mahomes. I love Andy Reid. I mean, I love Andy Reid. He's a cool coach. But they have a Super Bowl. Jalen Hurts, I mean, he's been balling. So they had a good season. Plus, hey, y'all know I'm from Oklahoma. Jalen Hurts, he went to OU. So yeah, I'm going for Jalen Hurts. Not for that reason, mainly it's because actually Patrick Mahomes and Andy Reid, they have their championship. So let him get his this time. Anyway, I'm out. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all later.